Spectrum internet not working? The first step is understanding your modem and router lights. These lights are diagnostic indicators showing the status of your connection. The modem connects to Spectrum's cable line, while the router distributes Wi-Fi. Focus on the modem lights first. A solid green or white power light means the modem is on. A blinking power light indicates it's booting or experiencing an error. The online or link light is crucial. Solid green means you have an internet connection. Red or blinking indicates no signal, potentially due to an outage. Also check for a Wi-Fi light, blue for 2.4 GHz, green for 5 GHz. If it's off, Wi-Fi is disabled. Lastly, Ethernet lights light up when devices are connected via cable. This infographic shows the different lights on a modem and their meanings. Router lights are similar, focusing on downstream and upstream signals. They may feature a blinking Spectrum logo light during issues. This shows a Spectrum router and its status lights, with meanings for different colors. First, check all cable connections. Make sure the coaxial cable is securely tightened to your modem. If the online light is red, reboot your modem by unplugging it for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait 2 minutes for it to fully restart. Next, restart your router. If the issue persists, use the Spectrum app, available on your smartphone, to remotely reboot both devices. The app also offers an internet health test. Speeds below 50% of your plan indicate a problem. Also, access your router's admin page, usually at 192.168.1.1 in your web browser, to check for firmware updates, ensuring your router is running the latest software. If none of these steps work, contact Spectrum support via their 24/7 chat or call 1-833-267-6094. As a last resort, consider a factory reset of your modem or router, or consider modem replacement. Many issues stem from user-side factors, such as loose connections, which you can resolve yourself.